Understanding the phrase, plop down. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, plop down. It's a fun and expressive phrase used in everyday English. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Plop is a sound or action that's often associated with something dropping or falling, usually into liquid. Picture a stone dropping into a pond. The sound it makes? That's a plop. Down usually indicates a direction, meaning moving from a higher to a lower position. Combining them, plop down literally can mean dropping something down, especially into liquid. For example, she plopped the ice cubes down into the glass. More often than not, plop down is used in a figurative manner. In everyday conversation, it usually means to sit or lie down suddenly and heavily, often with exhaustion or relief. For instance, after a long day at work, he just plopped down on the sofa. The kids plopped themselves down on the grass after playing all afternoon. It's an informal way of expressing the idea of sitting or lying down with a sense of immediacy or without much care. Let's look at a few more examples to reinforce the usage. 1. I can't wait to plop down on my bed tonight. 2. She plopped down next to me and began to tell her story. 3. The dog plopped itself down in the middle of the living room, wanting attention. Remember, the emphasis is on the sudden and carefree nature of the action. I hope this video shed light on the phrase, plop down. It's one of those expressions that adds a touch of color and informality to the English language. So next time you're exhausted and you sit down with a sigh, remember you've just plopped down. Happy learning, and until next time.